Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, can I say a big thank you to everyone from my first review about the Ferrex Impact Driver. Can I say a big thank you for all the positive feedback I received about the review I'd done. It did take quite a long time for me to pluck up the courage to get in front of the camera. If you watch my previous videos, you might see my hand, you might see me talking, you might see me not talking at all. And I really do appreciate the feedback I got for it, and I will take on board some of the advice you've given me moving forward to future reviews. I did get 2 comments though in the comment section about the other product I held up, which was the Ferrex cordless grass trimmer, asking me if I would consider doing, or am I planning to do a review on that. The short answer was no, I wasn't, but I found myself, I've just added the 3rd coat of my hard wax oil to my table legs, which is the current project I'm working on, and I've got a spare hour and the grass needs trimming, and I thought, well, why not? So I thought I'll do a little bit of a very quick review on this product here. I did have a quick scan on YouTube if there's any current reviews out there, and there was one of a guy cutting for 30 seconds to show that it cuts grass. And there was another one of a guy who just talked about unboxing the things, which is fair dues. So I thought, well, actually, what would you need to do if you were going to review a grass trimmer? What would people want to know? So I thought, I came up with 3 things. A, does it trim grass? B, I thought, how much does it weigh? Because for someone like me, that was quite important. The reason why I bought this is I've actually got somewhere in the back of the garage there a really powerful petrol trimmer, which I haven't used since the accident for my own health and for everybody else's safety. So I needed something that was quite light, that I could use with one arm. And this, when I picked it up in the shop, I thought, yeah, that seems okay. So we're going to look at the weight of this. And then finally I thought people might be interested in is how long the battery lasts. Now if you look back to my previous review, I got the 40 volt battery for the multi-tool. The grass trimmer does take the 20 volt, but I thought I'll get the 40 volt and then I'll test it and see how long it actually running time it actually lasts for. So I'm going to take it outside. It's a lovely day today. I'm going to take it outside, I'm going to put it on the scales and weigh it. And then I'm not going to film, well in fact I might do a little bit of filming and put it into the old Benny Hill mode to see how fast I'm going round till the battery dies out, and then I'll time that, come back and we'll do a little bit of a final analysis of it. One thing I did find quite easy, it was really easy to put together, but it came with a load of these plastic clips, and I noticed even for someone just with one hand, these things here, they're dead easy to clip in. You just push it on and then pull it and it pops and it's good to go. Alright, so the battery's fully charged. I'm going to take it outside, give it a little run through and see how we get on. Just one final thing I am going to do, because I checked this before we went out, is I've got a couple of bungee cords which I'm going to sort of just put around my shoulder and put to the upper handle on it, just to give it a little, take a little bit of weight off my left arm. And take a little bit of pressure off that. Okay, so let's see how we get on. Done. Okay, we're finally back in the garage, having exhausted the battery eventually. I actually thought my left arm was going to give out before the battery did. As you can see, our gardens are quite substantial, particularly the back garden, and this coped with everything I could throw at it. For those who might be interested, and I'm sure none of you are, I don't actually trim the grass right up to the fence panels or the side fence, because we actually have hedgehogs living in the back garden. And we're also really lucky as well that we have red squirrels. We have a dray in there as well, and I noticed they kind of stash their little food supplies and stuff, so I don't take the grass right up to the short grass right up to the fence. I just looked back through the videos, and not accounting for when I have it switched off, the plastic cutters came off a couple of times where it was only literally 20-30 seconds to clip them back in. So with the strimmer switched on, the battery lasted for 48 minutes and 47 seconds, which I think is pretty decent really, and would more than cope for the vast majority of gardens I think in the UK or wherever that you can buy Ferrex or Aldi tools from. So this is a total diversion from me away from the standard stuff I normally do. A normal service will be resumed in the next video, which will be my cross table legs and attaching them to my oak epoxy resin tabletop. I'd just like to say thanks very much for watching. If you did find this useful, please leave a comment, a thumbs up, a thumbs down, just let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you again sometime. Thank you.